Here's problem 2812. What is the magnitude of the potential difference across the 20 ohm resistor shown in the figure? Let's simplify this circuit a little bit. We have a 10 in series with a 10 in series with a 10 on the outside here. That is going to add up to 30 ohms. So this circuit now looks like this. 11 volts, 20 ohms in the middle, 30 ohms on the outside here, with a 5 ohms down below. Now if I do the parallel combination of this 20 with the 30, I would have that R parallel is equal to 20 times 30 over 20 plus 30, which would be 600 over 50, which would be 12 ohms. Okay, nice. So now my circuit looks like this. 11 volts, 12 ohms here, 5 ohms here. Adding these two together, I have 17 ohms from my R equivalent. So this final circuit looks like 11 volts across 17 ohms. That means that the current coming out of the battery is the voltage of the battery divided by my R equivalent, which would be 11 volts divided by 17 ohms, and that current will then be 0.647 amps. So I have 0.647 amps coming out of the battery. In any representation I choose. So there's 0.647 amps coming out of this battery and this battery. Any equivalent circuit should have no different effect on the battery. So it's going to put out 0.647 amps in any representation I choose, which means that the voltage through this 12 ohm resistance over here by Ohm's law will be equal to that current times that resistance. And that is going to be 0.647 amps times 12 ohms. And that is going to be equal to what? 7.76 volts. That is the voltage across the 12 ohms resistor. But if I look at that 12 ohms is connected between the same 2 points in the circuit as this parallel combination of the 20 with the 30. So that's the same volts, because things in parallel have the same voltage as their equivalent device. So there is 7.76 volts between those 2 points in the circuit, meaning that the voltage on that 20 ohm resistor is equal to the voltage on the 12 ohm resistor is equal to 7.76 volts, because things in parallel have the same voltage. Hence, the potential difference across a 20 ohm resistor is 7.76 volts.